People are asking questions. How do I know if I'm a good partner? Well, someone said that unexamined life is not worth living. It's very important for us to know what's it like for other people to experience us. So we might ask yourself this question: what am I like to be with? Or maybe you can ask your partner and say, hey, what am I like to be with? Exactly the same question. Yeah? So we all belong to the network of relationships. We're part of it. So if we are happy with ourselves, we have a good relationship with ourselves, we'll have a good relationship with others, potentially. But it's always good to check, how do you experience me? What am I like to be with? Am I fun? And am I grumpy? Am I demanding, controlling? Do I make an effort? Ask yourself and ask your partner. When you're with your partner, focus, just like you're focusing on yourself. You focus on others. You only can give what you have. If you don't have something, if you're not happy, and if you're angry and unhappy, then this is what you will be giving to others. So examine yourself first, check with your partner how you're being experienced, and contribute. Talk to your partner. I know you can do this. Try it.